everyone. Here we are at the stall of Sensible Connect and we have Mr. Amrut. Hi sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing good sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
great.
can you tell us a bit about Sensible Connect?
So, Sensible Connect was founded in 2016 with a view of Make in India, and we wanted to make these goods in India, which wherein 90% of the things were made out of India. So, we wanted to make in India, and we are now successfully installed 8,000 plus units across all retail outlets in India.
So sir, right now mostly we see most of the people use Chinese products for what you provide, right? So what is your take? So what is your opinion on that right now?
So there is a lot of good manufacturing facilities available in India right now, and there are a lot of opportunities for making India product. So just you need to find the right product, and you need to be consistent with what you are doing and keep on improving the product. So the best way to be in competition is to improve yourself rather than blaming the Chinese, or so you can be better than them and you can work on them, and these opportunities are now being available with the current government. So we are happy and we are doing it successfully in India right now.
So sir, what is your take on the current Indian manufacturing industry?
Yeah, it's booming right now, and the manufacturing industry is set to break its own record in coming years. Right now, we are in a very good shape in the Indian manufacturing space. There's a lot of demand, and we look forward to do that.
Thank you so much sir. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.